Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go.
So right now we're going to talk about something that is drastically overlooked. I know when I was active as a Green Beret in a lot of the trainings, even with all of our training, I vastly underestimated water sometimes, and I wouldn't drink, and then I'm playing catch up. In initial training, they talk a lot about our first aspect. Then that is if you are in a scenario where you have completely run out of water and you are dealing with creeks, standing water, you generally do not want to get even your initial source from anything that is stagnant water. You always want some type of movement, but I imagine sometimes you get what you get, you know, if you're truly in a dire scenario. These are the 8.5 milligram tabs, and one tab will treat up to 1 liter. So if you've got more than that, you can multiply out for the amount of tabs that you have. We are in a controlled environment, obviously. So I'm gonna take a little bit of water out of this. You would have an empty bottle here, but just when I go to add my ORS, I don't want it to go all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead and take our tab out. If you're dehydrated, your motor function doesn't work that great, you drop it on the ground, don't pick it up off the ground and put it in your water. Get a new tab. Now, the one thing about these tabs that does suck is it takes about a half hour for it to properly kill the potential products in your water. It kills bacteria. The biggest thing that you're preventing, in my mind, is Giardia. They warn us about that, and that can be pretty traumatic in terms of what it does to your gut.
That and some dysentery stuff.
There you go. Now, I've got my water. It's been 30 minutes. I appreciate you watching this video for 30 minutes. My water is now purified. If I've gotten myself into this scenario, I am probably pretty dehydrated.
Right.
So what we also have is DripDrop. It is rehydration salts. If you guys are veterans, you're watching this, and you're old school like us, you probably remember the old ORS packets that were disgusting.
Yeah.
But they worked amazing. Fortunately, modern technology, and these people have really bought this in with CrossFit, different athletics, a lot of the rehydration salt. They taste pretty good now. Orange is my least favorite. Sorry, guys. I'm more of a red guy. Great drink. But you're going to go ahead and open this, and we're going to go ahead and dump it in, close it up.
Pretty tough stuff, guys.
Pretty tough stuff. But you know what? Least common denominator. I know that some of you, if you're like us, are probably pretty dumb, and you need some of these videos. Especially the water purification. People,
you don't think about it.
Don't think about it. Especially if you're thirsty, like you're legit in a dire situation, then you may not purify. Let alone if you've never taken rehydration salts, you do not appreciate how incredible they are. You will notice a difference in minutes, in my experience. Even as trained as we are, I know I've been to like different selections, different aspects of out in the woods, different hiking, and I'm so focused on what I'm doing or getting where I'm going, I don't drink. Or if it's cool in the morning, I don't realize that I'm actually sweating as much and getting as dehydrated, and I need to get that back quick.
Also really good for a night after whiskey.
There you go. Before bed and in the morning.
Science.
There's science. I like
Absolutely.
it. And then drink. I love it. One of these packs will treat more. This probably treats up to 1 liter too. This is 8 ounces of water. So this is meant for about a water bottle size. You do have a couple in your packs. There's some great brands out there. LMNT is what my wife and I use when we're doing workouts, things of that nature, or if we're going on a long hike. They are delicious. We've got noon tabs. I highly recommend, even outside of our kits, just go to REI, place like that, load up, have a whole pack, and you're good to go.
Yeah. DripDrop's a great brand. That's actually what some of the U.S. military is shifting to now. So that's why we use that one.
I love it. Cool. Cheers, guys.